Summertime is all about bubbles. My name is Ethan. I'm a product consultant with BC Liquor. I have 4 liqueurs here that will help you be creative in making spritz this summer. Have you ever looked at a group of people having fun and wondered what they were laughing about? It's not you, it's Gigglewater, a refreshing Prosecco with orchard flavors of apples and pear. You can only find Gigglewater at BC liquor stores. If Aperol is sweet orange zest, then Campari is bitter orange peel. Switch it up this summer by making a Campari spritz with Gigglewater. If you have already tried the minty elderflower St-Germain Hugo spritz, it's time to shake it up with Lillet Blanc. It has floral notes of honey blossom and a hint of spice. This summer, come to BC Liquor for fresh Prosecco and creative ways to make spritz.